How to get wallet address on Binance. What's up everyone, welcome to another quick tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you guys where you can easily find your wallet address. As you guys know, you need your wallet address in order to deposit your money or in order to receive your crypto. So in order to do that, first of all you will need to launch the app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, what you can do is simply tap on this trade button that's on the middle of the screen on the bottom. Just tap on it and then tap on deposit. Now you have to know that different cryptos have different wallet address, so each one has its unique wallet address. So you have to find the crypto that you want to deposit first. So let's say it's Bitcoin. You can search for it right here if you don't see it on your home screen. So just search for it and then tap on it. Now this is very important. You have to choose your network. In order to complete the transactions, you first need to select a correct network. Since we are doing the Bitcoin, I'm going to choose the Bitcoin network. And once you do this, you will see your deposit address right here if you have a verified account. And that way you can easily find your wallet address. You can do the same for other address as well. You will find the deposit address. You can even get a QR code right there. That's how you easily get the wallet address on Binance. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I will catch you on the next one.